This is a very bold squirrel that we have here. He's jumped right at the glass at the cat a couple of times, and now he's out there taunting the dog. He is just the ballsiest squirrel ever. Betty, get down. Betty. No. Betty. And watch that squirrel come right back. Damn this thing. There he is. What's the matter, Betty? Can't you get it? There comes Cheekies. Hard for me to believe that squirrel's that bold. But he knows that glass will protect him. Sitting right there. Got his little feet right up on the window. Talking to the dog. Oh, and here comes Gary. Oops. Now he's moving. There. Gary made him move. Let's see if he comes back. Nope. No barking. Nope, he's gone now. Up in the tree.